Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Annie, so please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So I got some Victoria's Secret here that I've been had. My phone charging, so I can't even look at the email. I don't remember what month I ordered these, but it was way before Christmas. I think it was October. I have to hurry up and go outside because I'm hungry. So I'm trying to do a Chipotle mukbang with the story time. I don't know which video I'm gonna post first, but yeah, I'm just getting to it. Alright, so let's do a thumbnail first. I don't forget to take a thumbnail when I do videos. I don't know what's going on. You know how many times I put this hair up? This hair just won't stay curly. But anyways, so do a thumbnail. This is a bag. I was my phone was I forgot my charger is very long. So I could, just get my phone. Okay. Let's see when I ordered this because I don't remember. Like I keep showing this guy. I was doing TikTok. Hey, I was doing a TikTok. Then my phone died on me. Hey, hurry up though. I'm hungry. And I'm in the mood for Chipotle. Alright. Let's see. Victoria's Secret. Let's see when I ordered these. Alright, so I ordered a lot of stuff. I ordered some candles. I ordered some body scrub. I ordered some more, but I don't want the video to be long. Alright, so got some panties. Because I'm not gonna open it. And this bag right here. When I saw this bag, okay, I think this is on sale. This is like, actually, yeah, they was all on sale. This bag was, let's see. This bag was, I ordered it September 25th. So, confirmation, blah, blah, blah. This bag, okay, let me show you how much. This bag was on sale. I was like, oh, I don't have a nice black, you know, like a satchel bag. I don't know if I'm not saying it right. It's been a while since I bought from Victoria's Secret. So I'm like, you know, let me treat myself. And I'm just opening it and show y'all. They don't have it. They don't have it on the side no more. So it was a reasonable price. I think it was $30 if I'm not mistaken. It wasn't. It was. Oh, this is so cute. I actually don't like wearing my like that. It's an arm. I'm putting an arm. It's cute though. I like it. Alright, so what's inside? All of that paper. We got the B right there. I think this is my nope, guys. I had a little geeky bag before. Damn trash. Right? Oh. It comes with a strap, so you can wear it shoulder or just like a satchel. So it's cute. I like it. It's not big. It's not small. It's just right. I like bags like that. So we're going over this one. I don't really want to put it separate. It's the same thing. Did I just show you my address? Did I just show you my address? Teas. This oh, this smells good. Not bad. Yeah, I remember this. Yeah, I used to get these stuff. Rub it all over you. It smells good. Is it one? Oh, it's two. This one is teas, Victoria's Secret teas, and this one is sugar floor. I don't see it right. But I'm not going to tell you. Alright, what's in this bag? Oh, the underwear. So why they put one underwear separately? Hey, come on, bro. Nothing in there. I wear a lot of panties. Sometimes I need some new panties. Okay. And you can't go wrong with Victoria's Secret. Pink, whatever you want to call it. So, the lotions. We're going to go with the lotion. Oh, let me go with the lotion that I opened. This one is cocoa lotion. Yeah, I started using it already. It smells so good. If you don't know how coconut smell, I don't know if they smell good. It's hydrating body lotion. Okay? And it smells so freaking good. Like, Yeah. I don't even remember how many of these I bought, but I think I bought a few. But not the same ones. I'm just saying. Lotion in general. And of course, you can't go wrong with these, because these are like the travel one you put in the bag. Right? Let me hurry up, because she's at 13 minutes already. Got it. Alright, so this one is called Beach Nectar, Salty Papaya, and Pink Guava. Yeah. Now let's see how it smells. No, be honest. It can go on. It smells good. It can go on. Yeah. I remember I used to buy these lotions like back in the day on a regular, but then I don't know. Sometimes you just want to try new things. Yeah, it's been a while I shopped by this on Victoria's Secret, or pink. Which one is this? Whichever one. Because sometimes I don't know. Buy stuff. Oh, this one. I feel like this one. Smells good. But look at the bottle. Like look at the. Yeah. This one is Sunshine. It's called Bright Mimosa. Bright Mimosa. Sunshine Amber and Fizzy Tangerine. So we're gonna smell it. Oh, I keep doing this. Just open the whole thing, girl. So we're gonna smell it. Oh, jeez, this smells good. Oh my god, this smells so freaking good. So we're going to. That's not all I bought. I think some of them in the boxes. Huh. Alright, so this is a scrub. So we're gonna open this. What's it called? Let's see. Okay. This one is the mango scrub. And vitamin E plus vitamin E. Exfoliant nourishing body scrub. Kind of smell it. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Oh, this smells good. Jesus. That smells good. It's been a while since I used a body scrub. I'm not even gonna lie. It's been a while. They was on sale and I'm like, let me get some. It's so hard to open. I know, like, come on. Oh, it's a candle. I smell it. Oh my, listen, I smell it before I even take it out of the box. Sometimes, even when I'm taking everything out of the box, that I have, you know, like a shopping bag, like, you know, the reusable shopping bags. So even when I took it out of the box itself, I'm like, damn, this candle smells strong. And it smells good. Come on. It's always this candle smells so free. It's cocoa pineapple. It smells so good. It's so, yo. God no, smell good. You know pineapple. Like pineapple smells really good. Cocoa pineapple. This smells good. This one just, I like how they seal the top, so you know when you're not ready to use it yet. So when you're ready to use it, you just lift this up. You see the little thing right here? Wait, oh wait there. That's all. This. You just lift it up and you just light the candle. This one. Oh, this one. You saw? Another candle. This one smells good too. This one is the Coca Vanilla. Coca Vanilla. It smells good. Oh, Jesus. Coca lotion. It's Coca Vanilla. You go with the Coca Vanilla candle. What's the sets? Yeah. I'm pretty sure it smells like this, like the candle, but I'm gonna smell it. I think I like that one better. I like the coconut oil better, but yeah, it smells good. It smells good though. It smells good. But this is another lotion. These things are very hard to open. Man, I lie. This one, I don't know if this one smells good. It's called Sunshine Ace. Let's see. Oh, at the top. Oh, this I think it's the old school one, right? Because this one don't have it. This one is the one that you just open like that. But I feel like these are the old school ones, right? Hold on a minute. This one can go on. It's okay. It smells alright. It's not bad. But it's not the best, to be honest. It don't smell that powerful like this one and this one. So that's why I call A's, Sunshine A's. Yeah, this is not that strong. And all these is 8 ounces. So yeah, it's good. See, like I said. Oh, now you're going back there. Look. Throw it in the. Oh, I didn't try that inside, did I? Ooh, look at it. Throw it in the bag. Just throw it in the bag. Just throw it in the bag. I'm a fool. Anyway, I did that just to take the back off. Ah, since my girl. Sometimes you know, it's just big. Sometimes you know. But yeah, anyway, this is a body. Oh, a body mist. I bought more body mist. Why did I do that? I have 2 Rihanna ones left, and I'm using them. I'm using both of them at one time. Not gonna lie, but I use one more than the other. This one is what? It's called. Let's see. It's this one is Sunshine A's. This goes with this. This one goes with this. So let's see. I told you that one smell already, so it's not giving. I don't give it the one. Give it the one. I don't like it. Yeah, I don't like it. Somebody can have this. I don't want it. We don't like that. Oh, this is the one I don't like. I don't like this one. Okay, this is going to the side. This one is Cabana in the Sands. Ooh, I like that name, Cabana. Cabana. Oh, wait. What are you saying in the back? Hairy honey snuckle jasmine musk eliminated by the sun. That's what you were saying in the back. See? Oh, it's a musk. The musk is just throwing it off because everything else. I mean, come on, honey. The musk is not. I don't. Put that to the side. I don't want it. Cabana in the sun. Please smell good. I beg you, please. Oh yes, thank you, God. Oh. This smell so freaking good. I'm not giving it on you, so don't beg. I'm not get it. This smell good, people. Yeah, they want to smell good. That can't smell by itself. I don't want it. I really don't want it. Alright, this one is another mist. Alright. Oh, this one, I know this one smells. You ain't got to tell me. Listen, anything with pineapple on it smells good. Anything with pineapple on it smells good, okay? Pineapple, neon, papaya, and sweet retreat. Whoa. I'm not gonna smell good. I'm sorry. I have them in it. I'm gonna smell good. Jesus. Okay. I gotta spray somewhere. I just spray it. Let's see if I find the side here. My favorite one. Well, yeah, other than this, because I don't like the other one. So this one is, it smells so good. See the name of it? Look at the I like the bottle too. Look at the bottle. And you want to know something? Pink is my least favorite color. I do not like pink. I don't like pink, but the bottle is giving cute. Okay, the bottle is giving cute, and I like it. I love how the bottle is. Pineapple Cove with neon papaya. That's what it says. Oh, this one is, oh, see, okay, this is the name of it. My bad. This is the name of it, Pineapple Cove. And these are the ingredients, I'm guessing. Yeah. You see it? Pink pineapple, neon papaya, and sweet retreats. This is giving. Please tell me I got a lotion for this one. Please let me know. This one is, I'll show you the box. The box is cute. I like it. What am I looking for? Oh, what is this? This is not, I think this is another lotion. Oh, another body. Oh, this is the body mist. Why is this one so small? Never expect that one there. Never expect that. What? This cotton poppy. Cotton poppy. It's a guan. I like that one there. Broom pure liqueur with essential oils, clean cotton plus red poppies. Okay, this is good. Against animal testing with essential oils. This, I'm gonna go smell on. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's giving. It's giving. I'm almost finished. Hey, I only got 2 candles. I thought I had one more candle. No, I got more candles than that. This one is another mist. Oh, this go with this. Hey, favorite. This is my favorite one out of everything so far. The bright mimosa, sunshine amber. I don't have to spray this one. I know how it smells already. Like, oh, it smells so good. It's another mist. That's my mist, anybody? I feel like I'm a mist girl, like a body mist girl. Yeah, I like them. This one is cocoa vanilla. Yeah. Animal testing, vegan, with essential oils. So warm with notes of coconut cream, vanilla bean, and spiced pear. But yeah, I like it because the bottle is so cute. Yeah. That's a candle. Pink cocoa. This is my favorite one. The cocoa pineapple is the favorite one. The pink cocoa, you can't go on. Don't have a strong smell. It's like the smell is like it's there, but it's not there. You get what I'm trying to say? This one smells very light, but you can still smell it as vanilla. Yeah, but the coconut plus pineapple, you know, is gonna give a strong smell. This smells like a light. It's light, but you can smell it. The strongest one out of all the body sprays is this one and this one. These two are the strongest so far. Yeah, I like the smell. So another scrub. Oh, the cocoa pineapple one. Yay. Of course that one's gonna be strong. Jesus, this is like my, okay, now I know what to buy. I thought when this finish, I'm only gonna buy this one now. From now on, the cocoa pineapple is gonna be my favorite. I could tell. Yeah, my skin is very soft, but I understand the exfoliation still. Like, okay, so this is cocoa pineapple, vitamin C plus coconut oil. So yeah. Yep. All right, 2 more down to go. Yeah, this is what I had them in. I took them out of the box and put everything in there. Even though some of them couldn't fit in the box. You see how big the boxes were? I had to put some up there. But yeah, this one is another body mist. Heat. Ooh. Heat. It's not strong. Excuse me. It's not strong. It's like it's very light, but it smells good. I'm gonna have to like spray like crazy for me to get a scent out of this one. This one is not really strong. It's not. Sparkling raspberry, sun-kissed hibiscus, pure seduction eats up. Some of these are very light. And we are the last one. So this is a scrub, another scrub. Oh, the melon scrub. Watermelon extract plus vitamin E. I know this smells good. Watermelon is one of my favorite fruits, so I know it smells good. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be between this one and the cocoa pineapple for me, cause baby, it's given. Okay. These, like I said, they was on sale, so let me see if I could try to get the prices. What is calling me? I don't know this number. $6.99, $5.99. Oh, something. I knew something was missing. Hold on, my sweatpants. Ah, I got a sweatpants. The sweatpants was $16.99. You know, I also got one of the sweatpants from Pink. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's how it is. Oh, this fit me. What size is this? I forgot what size I bought. This gonna fit. Oh, it's a medium. It doesn't gonna fit me. Alright, so the underwears was $6.40, some was $5. Spring Days body mist was $5.99. The cocoa scented candle $7.95. This lotion that I started using already, $7.95. The body scrub $7.95. I think all of them were $7.95. This was $7.95. This was $5.99. Yes, I think the body lotions was $5.99 if I'm not mistaken. Let me see some. Yeah, all the body lotions was $5.99. Oh, this body mist was $5.99. The big ones $6.99. So this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.